Hey there, quantum explorers. Today we're delving into the mind-bending realm of quantum physics. This is the branch of science that takes us on a journey to the very smallest scales of the universe, to the world of particles that are so tiny they're almost beyond comprehension. Here we peel back the layers of reality and uncover a world where the traditional rules of physics just don't apply. In this quantum realm, particles behave in ways that seem to defy logic. They can exist in multiple places at once, teleport instantaneously, and show a spooky kind of connection called entanglement. It's like stepping onto a cosmic roller coaster, where everything you thought you knew about the world is turned upside down. So buckle up and prepare for a wild ride as we delve into the fascinating, perplexing, and utterly mind-blowing world of quantum physics. Think of it like a cosmic roller coaster ride where the rules of everyday life take a back seat. Now buckle up, because we're about to dive into one of the most mind-boggling concepts of quantum physics, the uncertainty principle. It's a rather quirky tenet of the quantum world. You see, in our everyday lives, we're used to knowing both where something is and how fast it's going, like a car on a highway. But in the quantum world, things are a bit different. Here's the twist. It's impossible to know both the exact position and exact momentum of a particle at the same time. This isn't due to any limitations in our measurement tools, but rather, it's a fundamental aspect of nature itself. Picture trying to catch a firefly in the dark. The very act of reaching out to catch it changes its flight path. This principle, as strange as it seems, challenges our classical understanding of the world, but in doing so, it opens the door to a whole new understanding of the universe. Hey, if you're finding this journey through the quantum realm as fascinating as we do, don't forget to smash that subscribe button below. Let's continue this exploration together, peeling back the layers of the universe one quantum concept at a time. You don't want to miss the chance to delve deeper into the mysteries of quantum physics, do you? So, come on, hit that button and let's keep the quantum conversation going. We've got plenty more mind-expanding content coming your way, and we'd love for you to join our growing community of quantum enthusiasts. And now, for our final stop on this quantum roller coaster, Schrödinger's cat. This thought experiment pushes the boundaries of our imagination and encapsulates the essence of quantum peculiarity. Picture a cat, a box, and a vial of poison. In our everyday world, the cat would be either alive or dead. But in the quantum realm, things are not so straightforward. Quantum mechanics proposes that until we open the box and observe, the cat exists in a state of superposition, both alive and dead at the same time. It's like flipping a coin and it landing on both heads and tails simultaneously. Perplexing, right? It's only when we open the box and observe that the cat's fate is sealed, either alive or dead. This thought experiment underscores the central role of observation in determining reality in the quantum world. So, next time you hear about Schrödinger's cat, remember, it's not just about felines and boxes, it's about the very nature of reality itself. And there you have it, fellow quantum adventurers, a whirlwind tour through the basics of quantum physics. We've merely skimmed the surface of this enigmatic realm. But remember, every expedition starts with a single step. If this journey sparked your curiosity, hit subscribe and ring the notification bell to join us on future explorations. Share your thoughts down below. We're always eager to hear from you. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep reaching for the stars. This is Fax Nexus signing off.